Hey guys, what's up? Presenting software number 1, Voco Screen NG, a free open source and no limitations screen recorder for Windows and Linux operating system. Designed to be simple and straightforward, making it quick to set up and use right away. With Voco Screen NG, you can record the full screen, a window or a selected area. Need to record audio from your microphone or system sound? It's all there. It supports multiple audio formats like Vorbis, FLAC, Opus, MP3 and multiple video formats like MKV, GIF, MP4, WebM. Features like a magnifying glass, countdown timer, built-in video player, built-in webcam support, show click, halo and snapshot feature makes recording easy and flexible. It also comes with features like global keyboard shortcuts for starting and stopping recordings, screen magnification, and the ability to highlight the mouse and its clicks. Perfect for tutorials, demos, or any kind of screen recording. By the way, this gameplay is being recorded with Voco Screen NG software. Now exploring software number 2 named VSDC Free Screen Recorder, a lightweight, completely free and no limitations tool for Windows. It can record a selected area, your whole screen, or a single window in MP4 file format with no watermark, no hidden fees. If you are a gamer, you can record gameplay in up to 4K resolution with frame rates up to 480 FPS. VSDC even supports recording from external devices like capture cards through HDMI. You can hook up your webcam, microphone, etc. and record using them simultaneously. Screenshots can also be saved in BMP, JPEG or PNG file format. Last software is the OG, named OBS Studio, the free open source powerhouse for video recording screen and live streaming on Windows, Mac and Linux operating system. Capture and mix scenes and sources such as browser windows, desktop, gameplay, webcams, etc. all in real time. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.